Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I got a question that maybe some of you guys can answer. And I know I did a review on this watch when I first got it, but it's been kind of driving me a little bit crazy and I can't seem to find the answer online. And I had Schrody look it up for me and he couldn't find anything either. Um, but what watch is this supposed to be? Is it supposed to be an homage to a Rolex? Is it supposed to be an homage to a Citizens, a Seiko? I don't know. What watch is this supposed to be? I thought maybe a date just, but it doesn't quite look like it. I thought maybe a it was supposed to be an homage to a Oyster Perpetual. I'm not really sure if it's even supposed to be a Rolex, but I love the watch. Beautiful watch. Just don't know what it's supposed to pay homage to. I really don't. Um, it's a beautiful watch. It's an Olevs brand watch. It's kind of got that goofy little saying on the front that says "Keep up with global fashion," which is kind of funny. But I love the watch. It's a really nice looking watch, and I just don't know what it's supposed to emulate. So if you guys can let me know what it's supposed to emulate, that would be awesome. If it is supposed to be a Rolex or if it's supposed to be a Seiko or a Grand Seiko or a Citizens or something, I just can't seem to find one that looks like it. I don't know if maybe it's just its own brand. But either way, I love this watch. I will post a link to it in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it helps me out if you buy it. And if you want to buy it, click on that affiliate link and it'll send me $1 or $2 or whatever the conversion rate is or the commission rate. But anyway, nice watch, solid case, beautiful design. I love the sheen on the face. It's really sharp and it's, metallic looking. It's got those fake diamonds for the numbers. Everything works great on it. It's nice. Obviously, it's a fingerprint magnet, so sorry about these fingerprints. Um, yeah, but other than that, I mean, it's a beautiful watch. It's a really nice watch. It fits well. It comes with the free size tools. This is what you'll get if you buy the watch. It comes in a case similar to this one, and it comes with the adjusting tool. So you can actually adjust the band yourself. You don't have to take it to a jeweler. Some come with the plastic. Can't guarantee which one you'll receive, but some come with the plastic adjuster. Some come with the metal adjuster. But they both work. They both work fine. You can resize it. It also comes with its certificate of authenticity, tag quality certificate by Olevs. But it's a beautiful watch. I just don't know what it's supposed to emulate or pay homage to. So if anybody out there knows, shoot me something in the comment section that tells me, so I know how to properly review it. But I think Oyster Perpetual, maybe. I don't know. I just can't seem to find something that looks similar. And I mean, Olevs came out with the. It's a beautiful version of their homage to the Submariner, and it's very, very, very similar. Like you could even confuse this, from across the room. But this one right here, I just don't know which one it's supposed to emulate or pay homage to. So once again, if you think you know, put it in the comments below. And if you like my videos, like and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Help the channel grow. If you want to buy the watch, I'll post a link to this one. I'll also post a link to the Submariner style below, so that way you can buy either one. And they're affiliate links. They help me out a little bit. They're not going to make me rich, but they help out. So if you want to take a look at these watches, definitely click on the link below and give that like, give that subscribe, and if you want to see more of these videos coming, keep the love coming. And I will see you guys in the next watch review video. Have a great day. You could at least say bye, Schrody.